Hey, have you heard the good news? What news? What news? Your family and mine and all the other relatives in the forest, we have decided that all the animals in the forest will be equal. So I'm waiting for you to come down so that I can embrace you and we all can live equally. Huh? We all can live equally. Come down, come down. How grand this idea. I can't wait, but it might take some time. Oh, I can see some of your friends coming here. Some dogs, some wolves. They're on the way. I think they have heard the news about the equality. Oh, where are they? Where are they? How did they get to hear the news? Besides, I feel I have an errand to run, so I need to go home before any of them come here. So let me go home. I knew it. I knew it. He says we all can live equally. Equally. I know it is a joke.